Good morning, everybody. Merry Christmas to everybody out there. Hopefully, everyone is having a great time. And today, what we're going to do is a little video on the '59 Impala. What I plan on doing today is installing the engine on the '59 Impala. So, what I'm going to do is clean up all of that crap that's on it and then all the stuff that is on the inside of it. And then that way we can take off the fenders and go from there. So, that is what the plan is for today. And we'll see how it goes. All right, guys, so I have the transmission over on the skate, and then I was able to move the engine block for the '59. Cleaned out most of the stuff that was on top of it. So what I'm going to do now is just roll the car backwards and start installing the engine. Well, there goes that idea. As soon as I got the engine on the other side of the garage and the transmission on the skate, it just started raining. So, it is what it is. We'll chalk it up for another day, but at least the engine is on this side, and then it'll make it a lot easier to put on.
All right, guys, so got the transmission all painted up, ready to go. It's drying right now. So what I'm gonna do right now is take the hood off the '59, and then probably gonna push it back first, take the hood off, bring the engine hoist in, and get it ready to get the engine put in. So let's see what happens. We got the hood off, and it's looking good under there. Got to clean it up a little bit, but other than that, not too bad. Gonna get the freeze plugs out of the engine and replace them with new ones and go from there. All right, so what I want to be careful not to do is to hit the boss. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna reverse 59 probably halfway out, and then or push it out, I should say, and then get the motor in front of it, change the freeze plugs, get the engine hoist on it, and then take it off the engine stand, bring it back down. All right, everybody, looks like we got the start of something beautiful. We got the engine and transmission freshly painted. We have the '59 that we took out the radiator support, so now it's a lot easier to put the motor in, which is right over there. Got the engine hoist ready to go. Look at that. Let's see what we can do.
All right, guys, so we finally got back to the '59 Impala installing the engine. And check it out, she is now in the engine bay. So, looks pretty awesome to see.